Well, this is Royal Doulton Temple's E4902 design. I always want to call this cockatrice, but it is actually a name pattern called Temples by Royal Doulton. Classic moulded shape for Royal Doulton from this period. There's the green lion crown, an E4902 Decorators mark over the Royal Doulton England banner underneath it. Sloping curved wall coming up to almost a straight and plain rim. Teacup, quite a tall one as you can see. Translucent bone china, inner wall decoration, all hand coloured. This is a sort of brown and white transfer design which is then completely hand coloured by the decorators, including the painting of all the birds front and the floral block on the rear. Very pretty little teacup. Nice bit of moulded detail around the handle. Just look at that, lovely. Picked out by the decorators with this sort of almost rotated rope design of handle with the buttressing going onto the side walls. Little round saucer, quite a deep saucer as you can see inside elevation, again with those oriental pheasant type bird decoration on the larger blockwork, floral on the counter side, infilled in almost an Imari-esque the way they've used the burnt reds and the cobalt blues in such a heavy decorative palette, and then with the lime green infill, it does have a feel of sort of the Edwardian Imari colours certainly, although the decoration is very much more continental rather than English really in this sort of design. Lovely side plate, again central block pattern with the two birds, floral decoration around the side, three smaller blockworks of floral bouquets picking up. Very flat elevation side plate, remnants of gilt around the rims, plain rims these, with again that little infill with the lime green. Makes a very, very pretty trio for a cabinet display. Just look at that, the way it picks up. They line up beautifully, the sizes that they've used here on these trios. The original combination as it would have been sold when it was made new. The design is very special. The colour combination's quite unique. It's Royal Doulton porcelain china. The dates are all on the website. Sizes, everything else you need to make a purchasing decision. If you follow the links below, we'll take you through to the website listing. Thanks for watching.